Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve cybersecurity with Darktrace, full guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the key features of Darktrace. Familiarize yourself with the concept of AI-driven cybersecurity. Begin by implementing Darktrace Enterprise Immune System. Install the necessary software according to the setup guide. Ensure that all endpoints within your network are connected. Link all relevant data sources to enhance threat detection capabilities. Establish the baseline behavior of users and devices in your organization. Monitor these baselines for any anomalies on an ongoing basis. Utilize the self-learning AI to automatically adapt to changes in network behavior. Create customized alerts for different types of security incidents. Leverage the Threat Visualizer tool for a clear view of ongoing threats. Review the insights provided by Darktrace at regular intervals. Engage with the automated response feature to mitigate threats in real time. Utilize the Darktrace Cyber AI Analyst for comprehensive reporting. Analyze historical data to improve future threat responses. Collaborate with your IT team to ensure a robust incident response plan. Continuously refine your security policies based on the alerts and reports. Train your team on the insights provided by Darktrace to improve awareness. Stay updated with the latest features and enhancements offered by Darktrace. Consider integrating Darktrace with other security tools for a layered defense. Evaluate the overall effectiveness of your cybersecurity measures regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.